By the year 2000, one of the biggest online businesses in the world, Amazon, almost fell apart. In this video, I'll break down exactly why it nearly collapsed and what brought it back from the edge. In late 1999, Amazon was valued at $25.7 billion. Investors loved it. The future looked unstoppable. But by late 2001, that value had dropped to under $3 billion, a 90% collapse in under 2 years. And here's the part most people get wrong. The drop wasn't because the business was failing. Amazon was still gaining customers every single month. Sales were still climbing. The problem was investors got nervous. Amazon kept spending money instead of showing quick profit, and Wall Street didn't trust the plan, so they started selling. Then, more people panicked and sold. Fear fed on itself, and the stock price fell off a cliff. To everyone watching from the outside, it looked like Amazon was dying. But the owner, Jeff Bezos, held on to one belief. And that belief changed everything. Optimism. Not blind hope, informed conviction. Bezos has said entrepreneurs need to be optimistic almost to the point of delusion. Your belief has to be strong enough to survive a moment where everyone around you thinks you're wrong. While the stock kept falling, Bezos wasn't watching the price. He was watching the business. Customers going up, sales going up. And in the fourth quarter of 2001, right when critics had already written Amazon off, the company posted its first ever profit. That was the turning point. Proof that the belief was right all along. Today, Amazon is worth over $3 trillion. From under $3 billion to $3 trillion, a 1,000 times increase. So if your business, your side hustle, or your investment feels like it's falling apart right now, that pressure isn't always the end. Sometimes it's just growth in disguise. Subscribe for more lessons on money, mindset, and building something that lasts.